Okay, we're about halfway on the green path on Innis Mor. And here's a little rest stop. A coffee break. But that is what we have to deal with on these bike paths. It's continuous buses. And it scares the crap out of me. And this road is not bigger than that van. So you gotta go get up into the bushes or find a little nook. But I'm gonna see if you can see one coming in right now. I'm gonna come this way and show you. There's the little van coming in, and you're riding your bike on the side of that. As you can see, not a lot of space in between there.